Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Walmart affiliate program tools for higher conversion rates, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with the Walmart affiliate program tools, first, sign up for an affiliate account on Walmart's affiliate website. After your account is approved, log in to your affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface to locate the various tools available. Next, explore the creative section of the dashboard. Here, you will find banners, product links, and widgets you can use on your platform. Choose the type of marketing material that best suits your audience's interests. To create custom links, use the product search feature to find specific items. Copy the generated links to share them in your content. Now, install the necessary tracking tools on your website or blog. This will help you monitor clicks, conversions, and overall performance. Next, consider adding Walmart's API to your site for more advanced integration. This allows you to pull real-time product data directly from Walmart. Make sure to review the API documentation for a smooth setup. For WordPress users, search for affiliate plugins compatible with Walmart. These plugins can simplify the installation process and improve link management. After setting everything up, create engaging content around the products. Focus on product reviews, comparisons, and shopping guides to attract your audience. Utilize SEO strategies to enhance visibility in search engines. Regular updates to your content will keep it fresh and relevant. Promote seasonal sales or special events to boost conversions. Lastly, analyze your performance metrics regularly to identify areas for improvement. Adjust your strategies based on the data collected to optimize conversion rates. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to successfully installing Walmart affiliate program tools for higher conversion rates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.